Hi all, myself I am Mohan Kumarian, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Srimati Shri OER GFGC, Pavagada. My today's topic is Introduction to PHP. It's a continuation class. So in this session, we are going to learn about different operators in PHP. At the end of this session, you would be able to use different types of operators in your programming. Operators in PHP. PHP operators is a symbol that is used to perform operation on operands. Operators in PHP are used to perform various operations such as assigning, multiplication, addition, subtraction, concatenation on variables and values. There are different types of operators in PHP. They are assignment operators, arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, increment or decrement operators, and arithmetic assignment operators. Let us learn one by one. First, we'll go with assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables or assign one variable to another as a value. Such an assignment of value is done with the equal operator. This is the operator which is used as an assignment operator. So here we have two examples. In example 1, we are assigning some value to the variable, that is the variable name is myvar. Here I am assigning value 9 to the variable. The second example, here I am assigning the value of another variable. So here another var is a variable for which I am assigning the value of a myvar variable. So this is about assignment operator. Next, move on to arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Addition operator. Plus sign is used for your addition operator. The result of the addition operator is the sum of the two operands. So of the two operands is the result of this addition operator. Here is an example. Here I am using this addition operator to sum up the values of variable x and variable y that will be stored in variable z. Subtraction operator. Minus sign is used for your subtraction operator. The result of the subtraction operator is the difference between two operands. So it will returns the difference of these two operators, that is a variable x and variable y. The result will be stored in a variable z. The result is the difference of these two variables. Multiplication operator. In PHP we are using asterisk as a multiplication operator. The result of the multiplication operator is the product of two operands. So the result of this multiplication operator is the product of these two operands. The product of these two operands will be saved in a variable z. Division operator. So forward slash is used as a division operator in PHP. The result of a division operator is the quotient of the two operands. So here is an example. Here I am dividing value x with value y, variable x with a variable y. The quotient of these two will be obtained as a result of this division operator that will be stored in variable z. Next is modulus operator. The modulus operator converts both operands to integers and returns the remainder of the division of the first operand by the second operand. So in modulus operator, first it will convert both the operands to integer type, and then it will perform a division. Here after division it will returns the remainder, not the quotient, it will returns the remainder. So here is an example. There is variable z equals to variable x modulus operator variable y. So here it will perform from integer division and it will returns a remainder to the variable z. arithmetic negation. Here minus sign is used as your arithmetic negation. The arithmetic negation operator returns the operand multiplied by -1, effectively changing its sign. So here by using this arithmetic negation operator, we can change positive values into negative values or negative values into positive values. Here is an example. Here I am assigning a negation value to the z. Here I am negating a sum of x and y value to a negative value. So that will be stored in a variable z. That's about your arithmetic operators. Next is logical operators. Logical operators are known as Boolean operators because they evaluate parts of an expression and returns either true or false. Logical operators provides way for you to build complex logical expressions. So these logical operators are basically used to extend the expression. I mean, your logical operators provides a way for you to build complex logical expression. So here is your logical AND that can be represented by two ampersand signs or even by specifying AND. These two can be used as your logical AND operator. The result of logical AND operation is the true if and only if both the operands are true, otherwise it is false. So this logical operator will returns true only if both the operands are true, then only it will returns true, otherwise it will returns false. So here we can use both these symbol, that is a double ampersand or even AND can be used for your logical operators. Logical operator. Here these two operands differ only in their precedence of execution. Apart from that, everything is same. Logical OR, even this also can be represented in this way, that is two pipes or OR symbol or symbol that is used to represent your logical OR. The result of the logical OR operation is true if either of the operands is true, otherwise the result is false. So logical operator, in this case it will returns true when either of the operands is true, otherwise the result is false. So again same thing, here we can represent this operator in two ways. These two differs only in their order of precedence. Logical XOR. The result of the logical XOR operation is true if either operand but not both is true, otherwise it is false. Logical negation, that will be represented by exclamatory symbol. The logical negation operator returns the Boolean value true if the operand evaluates to false and false if the operand evaluates to true. So it is what your logical negation operator. Conditional operator, or even we can call it as a ternary operator. A conditional operator that will be represented by question mark followed by a colon. First, this conditional operator first evaluates the expression for a true or false value and then execute one of the two given statements depending upon the result of the evaluation. The syntax is as follows. Here it is a condition followed by a question mark and then statement 1 followed by a colon followed by a statement 2. Here if the condition evaluates to true, then the statement 1 will execute. If the condition evaluates to false, the statement 2 will execute. So that what is written in your note. If the condition evaluates to true, statement 1 will be executed, else statement 2. It is called a ternary operator because it takes 3 operands. So that's about your ternary operator in PHP. Comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare one value with another and return either true or false depending on the status of the comparison or status of the match. The comparison operators are equal or equality operator, that will be represented by two equal signs. If both operands are equal, this operator returns true, otherwise it returns false. So this operator returns true only when the either side of this operator has got us equal valued variables. Identical or identity operator, this operator can be represented by three equal signs. If both operands are equal and are of the same type, this operator returns true, otherwise it returns false. So this operator returns true only when both operands are of equal and are of same type, then only it returns true, or else it will return false. Not equal to or inequality operator. Not equal to or inequality operator, that can be represented by exclamatory followed by equal sign or not equal symbol. If both operands are not equal, this operator returns true, otherwise it returns false. Not identical, that is this not identical operator can be represented by exclamatory followed by two equal signs. If both operands are not equal or they are not of the same type, this operator returns true, otherwise it returns false. Greater than operator. So here the greater than operator is represented by greater than symbol. If the left hand operand is greater than the right hand operand, this operator returns true, otherwise it returns false. Greater than or equal to, this will be represented by greater than symbol followed by equal sign. If the left hand operand is greater than or equal to the right hand operand, this operator returns true, otherwise it returns false. Less than operator to be represented by less than symbol. If the left hand operand is less than the right hand operand, this operator returns true, otherwise it returns false. Less than or equal to, this operator can be represented by less than symbol followed by equal sign. If the left hand operand is less than or equal to the right hand operand, this operator returns true, otherwise it returns false. It's about comparison operators. Next is unary operator. Unary operators are operators that only deal with one argument. So these are operators that can deal with only one operands. They are increment or decrement operators. So unary auto increment operator, that can be represented by two plus signs. To increase the value of a variable by 1, where we can use this auto increment operator. So this can be used in two ways, that is post increment or pre increment. If I use post increment, first the value of the variable will be assigned to some other variable and then it will be incremented. That is in case of post increment. Pre increment is nothing but the value of the variable, first it will be incremented, then it will be assigned to the another variable. In these kinds of increment is called the pre-increment. Next is unary auto decrement operator. To decrease the value of a variable by 1, we can use these unary auto decrement operators. Even this also can be used in two ways, that is post decrement and pre-decrement. Shorthand unary operators or arithmetic assignment operators. Plus equals is a shortcut operator, shorthand unary operator, that is plus followed by equal sign. So this operator adds the right hand operand to the value of the left hand operand, then assign the result to the left hand operand. So here it will add the right hand operand, this value to the left hand operand, then the result will be assigned to the left hand operand. So in this way, this plus equals shorthand binary operator will works. Similarly, minus equals operand. So this operator is represented by minus followed by equal sign. So this operator subtracts the right hand operand from the value of the left hand operand, then assign the results to the left hand operand. Divide equals. This operator can be represented by forward slash followed by equal sign. This operator divides the value of the left hand operand by the right hand operand, then assigns the results to the left hand operand. Next is your multiply equal operator. Here this can be represented by asterisk followed by equal sign. This operator multiplies the right hand operand with the value of the left hand operand, then assigns the results to the left hand operand. Modulus equal operator. So this modulus equals operator can be represented by percentage symbol followed by equal sign. This performs the modulus operation on the value of the left hand operand and the right hand operand, then assigns the results to the left hand operand. Bitwise XOR equals, that can be represented as a bitwise equal operator. This performs a bitwise XOR on the left hand and right hand operands, then assigns the results to the left hand operand. Bitwise AND equals, this can be represented as ampersand followed by equal sign. This performs a bitwise AND on the value of the left hand operand and the right hand operand, then assigns the result to the left hand operand. Bitwise OR equals, this can be represented by bitwise OR and equal sign of equal sign. So this operator performs a bitwise OR on the value of the left hand operands and the right hand operand, then assigns the results to the left hand operand. Concatenate equals, so this can be represented by a period followed by equal sign. This operator concatenates the right hand operand to the value of the left hand operand, then assigns the results to the left hand operand. So this is about our shorthand unary operators. Scope resolution operator. The scope resolution operator is commonly known as the double colon, is a token that allows access to static, constant and overridden properties or methods of a class. It is used in object-oriented programming when you want to be specific about what kind of function you are calling. Here is an example. So here in this code we have one class, that is a class demo class, where I am using one variable that is constant value pi, whose value is 3.14. Now from the outside of the class I am accessing the value by specifying the class name followed by a scope resolution operator, then accessing the pi constant. In this way we can access any specific variables or members of a class by using your scope resolution operator. So it's a time to recap what are all the things we have worked out in this session. Here we learned about assignment operators, arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and increment and decrement operators, arithmetic assignment operators. So it's all for the day. Thank you.